Welcome back to We Are Austin. A smile so bright you need sunglasses. Dr. Chad Denman from Great Expressions Dental Centers is here to give us some timely tips so you and your family can keep your smile shining all through the summer. That's what we want to do, right?
Yes, no, definitely.
Why is the summer a good time for us to focus on this and for kids to try to get into the dentist office?
You know, we all get busy in our day-to-day lives, and when you get busy, you kind of put off the things that aren't always on your forefront of your mind.
Yeah,
you know?
Except the ones that are also imperative.
Right, exactly. And you know, when it comes to summer, most dentists get extremely busy, so it's real important to think about booking your appointment now to get in before the end of the summer, during the summer, maybe even before school gets out for some of your kids.
So what you're really trying to impart is like a sense of urgency, making sure you get in and see the dentist before that new school year starts, and you can make sure you have teeth health.
Yeah, no, definitely. And if if I could impart some information, a lot of the patients that I see that wait a whole year to finally be seen, a lot of them do have cavities and they've gotten pretty large. And we want to try to catch them when they're small, so the filling is really small or the crown's really small, and we can...
Yeah, that preventative care and being proactive is always a good idea. You know, at this time of year, a lot of kids will be playing sports over the summer. Do you have any advice for parents for keeping their kids safe and their teeth in good condition?
I do. You know, wearing a mouth guard, whether it be the ones over the counter that you boil, or you know, the ones that are made at the dentist, are both useful. I prefer the ones that are made at the dental office because they give you a tighter fit. They're less likely to be jarred loose with an injury or a fall or something like that. So, what
about kiddos in the middle school years typically who have braces? What about playing sports for them? Is a mouth guard what you would recommend as well?
It is. I always let everyone know that, you know, braces do actually form somewhat of a protective barrier
for your teeth.
For your teeth,
yes. but not necessarily for the surrounding area.
Exactly, and you know, you can definitely do some damage if you fall, and you may not hurt your teeth, but yeah, your lips and tongue and everything can get pretty cut up. So what you want to do is either put a lot of wax between all the braces so that you don't, you know, so it doesn't catch on your lip, or one of the boil mouthpieces is good to wear kind of over the braces.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay, cool. Well, also in terms of summer, we're talking about sports. There's cookouts, lots of food. You usually have good recommendations for foods to eat or foods to avoid when it comes to keeping your teeth white and bright.
Yeah, you know, keeping away from the more acidic foods. And when I talk about acidic foods, it can be the hot and spicy ones that we all love in Austin. Right?
Yeah.
That can be the Mexican food or even barbecue. So if you're going to have those foods, make sure you follow it immediately with water. Okay. Or if you have a toothbrush in hand, go ahead and, you know, brush. But it's limiting the length of time. So instead of doing like you know, time yourself for 2 minutes, you're eating or drinking all of those acidic and alcoholic beverages, try to limit it down and then drink water in between.
Okay, so if there was something that you could remember to take with you, it's to rinse your mouth with water, or even take a toothbrush with you if you want, and just do a quick cleanup after those types of meals.
Right, and eating lots of fruits and vegetables, including that into your meal as well. It helps with the taking good care of your teeth.
Always recommended, right? Where can we go for more info? Where are your locations? I know there are many.
Yeah, so we do have lots of locations. We have several that are in the downtown area, one in the south. We also cover Round Rock, and you can go to www.greatexpressions.com and get more information. I personally work at the Burnett Road office.
Good. So if you want to see Dr. Denman, head to Burnett Road. Thank you so much. Have a great holiday weekend.
Thanks so much for having us.